There are a lot of different indicators on the pocket option platform, but which one are the best? I will show you that in this video. Welcome to binaryoptions.com, and Pocket Option is one of our main trading brokers. I will show you in this video which combination of indicators I'm using for my trading for a very successful strategy, and you can build this indicator strategy, this indicator combination on your end in the Pocket Option platform. If you don't have an account on Pocket Option, you will find the sign up link in the description below. So let's get started here. I have chosen the euro dollar because this is my main trading pair where I'm trading on Pocket Option. And if you click here next to it, you see this button, there are different indicators are available. So which indicator I'm using is very simple. The best one is for me the RSI, then the Bollinger Bands and the zigzag indicator. Sometimes we can also add the momentum indicator, and these are 4 different indicators. I think, in my opinion, from my experience, this is a lot. You can also try only with 3, for example, Bollinger Bands, the RSI, the zigzag, or Bollinger Bands, momentum, and the RSI. So these 4 different indicators, they have their purpose, and I will explain to you now in this video their purpose so that you can use them correctly. So let me first use the RSI. Here we take the period 14. This is a normal standard period, and we can keep this. This is perfect. If you like, you can play with the colors here, but in this video I think I don't need to play with the colors here. Maybe I can change this to the red line so I see it more clearly, and the upper line I change it to this color, so we have a nice looking thing right now here below. But in my opinion, you don't need to change here something, so just to show you that. So we have the RSI. This indicator shows us when the market is overbought or oversold. So here we have the lines from 70 to 30, and these are the different marks. It's very important because if this line, it calculates through these candles, it calculates this line here, and if the market rises a lot, normally there is a pullback, and you see here if the RSI comes over the 70 line, you can make a forecast that there is a reversal to the trend. I wouldn't trade the reversals always. There are different strategies, and I will explain you in this video also this if we use the combination between the Bollinger Bands and these other indicators. But let me continue first. So the next indicator is the zigzag indicator, and this is, you don't need it every time, this indicator, but it's just for the eyes, for the optic. And you can see here, what you can see, how the market is moving, okay? Here you see, and you see if the market is moving very fast, white. If the market is not moving, then the zigzag indicator makes like this. If then the market is moving, it makes like a big jump. So it's very nice to see with this indicator what's happening in the market, and you can use a better overview if you zoom out, and then you know exactly how is the trend going. Do we have really a trend, or do we don't have a trend? Also, we see here the highs very clear and the lows very clear. Another advantage, and then you can trade it for your strategy. So this is just an indicator for the overview for your eyes, and you can interpret it like, do we have a strong trend or not? The next one is the momentum indicator. It's like built on the similar strategy like the zigzag, because if we got here lots of momentum in one direction, we know we have a good trend, the market moves in one direction and we can see it directly in this indicator. So if we got things like this, so the market is not moving with momentum, you should be carefully with your trades, because it is so difficult to trade here in these situations, and it's better to use the momentum indicator to see the large movements. We want the large movements, and then we want to make the money. So these are these two indicators, a zigzag and the momentum indicator. They are a little bit similar to each other. Yeah, so I told you before, you don't need both of them necessary. So now we go to the last indicator, and the last indicator is the Bollinger Bands indicator. Here we have to change the settings, because now we see that it's very, you see it. You can't do nothing with it. But we want to change also here the color. Let me change the color. Let me change it to white, and we make it like this so we can see it much better. And the Bollinger Bands, we need here a bigger period, like 14. We can also use a bigger one, but 14 is nice in combination with the RSI. And when we need the deviation, we need a higher deviation of 5, for example. Maybe you can use 4, but 5 is very nice for getting the extreme touch. The higher the deviation is, the higher is the chance of a successful trade. But you don't get so much options. So I will limit this to 4 or 3. Now you see the Bollinger Bands are more on the chart. And now what we are doing with the Bollinger Bands, we can calculate the average prices. Yeah? This is an average price channel, and if the market pops out of this channel, we know, okay, it's overbought or oversold. In combination with the RSI, this is a nice strategy. And you can see here, if it touched the outer side, we can wait for a reversal. Or we can use this indicator for the trend. For example, if the market is going through this middle line, we can do that trades with the trend. Yeah, that's it how it works. So let me check out for some trades. Let me remove this so that we can see better. Remove the color and change it again. I would prefer to make the top red for sell and the bottom green for buy. The middle we can use it in yellow, so it looks very nice. And let me find some trade opportunities now. Here I don't see much opportunities because the market is pushing like a monster upwards. We can change the time frame. If we see there some resistance, now the market keeps climbing higher today, and I don't want to trade against it. Even if the Bollinger Band shows me here a sell signal, but you see it's widening. So the momentum is here. We have big momentum in one direction, and I don't want to trade against it. So maybe we will find a better asset to trade with this strategy. I prefer range trading with this strategy. It works very well, but in the trend you have sometimes troubles. It's better for ranges. So let me change it to the US dollar Canadian dollar. What we're seeing here, some news, but no trading chance. Let me change it again. Use the euro pound. No, there are no trading chances at the moment. US dollar, Japanese yen. Also no chance to trade here. Pound US dollar climbing. No chances to trade. So I have no live trades for you at the moment. But I will definitely make a new video. So you definitely should try this combination here. And I will show you some examples for trading. If we get here, let me go back to the euro dollar, my favorite pair. So if we are in a range, if we sidewards, we can use this strategy very well. Here, for example, it goes like this, and we can use up trades on the lower band, but only in the range phase. This is very good, nice for ranges. If there's momentum, you should be careful and don't trade against the trend. You should trading with the trend, and you see here the market makes pullback to the moving average in the middle, and there are your upward trades with the trend. But here, in this moment, the market keeps pushing. I don't know when it will be a reversal, but the optimum strategy would be the market goes up, goes down to this middle line, and then continues to grow, and then I get my trade. Yeah, this is our video to the pocket option indicators. You will find more info about pocket option indicators in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you.